Hi friends, Will Springer from John L. Scott Real Estate in Seattle, and today I wanted to just touch on a blog post that was published September 22nd, and it was on the basic topic of fall home maintenance tips. Now, every season has some honey-do list for fixing up the home for you homeowners out there, and it's also true for the autumn time. Of course, you have falling leaves and you have other issues that should be checked before the winter hits. So check out the website, my blog post specifically, willspringerrealtor.com/blog, for a post that lists things that you might want to think about doing between now and December to get ready for the bitter winter weather here in Seattle. Thanks.